I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Assistive Touch because iPhone lacks a physical touch button. This creates a virtual button you can place anywhere. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, tap Touch, then flip Assistive Touch on. Once done, press Customize top-level menu to pick actions for single tap or double tap. You want essential actions like Home, Control Center, or Custom Shortcuts. Make sure to drag the floating control to your preferred edge so it's reachable when you hold the phone. Now configure what that button does. You choose single tap, double tap, and long press to cover common needs. Tap an action, then select from built-in items like Home, Siri, or Volume, or pick a custom shortcut for automation. This matters because mapping the right actions saves time and avoids accidental triggers. After assigning, test each gesture while holding the phone naturally. If it misfires, go back and change the idle opacity or press duration to fine-tune responsiveness. Finish by placing and testing the button across apps to confirm reachability and behavior. Make sure to test in landscape and portrait. Some apps block overlays. If you prefer less distraction, lower idle opacity or enable auto hide so it fades when idle. If the button is unresponsive, restart the iPhone first, then check for iOS updates. Make sure Assistive Touch gestures aren't conflicting with guided access. As a last resort, reset accessibility settings to return to known defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.